In this video, I'll walk you through how to use RevenueCat with React Native to manage in-app purchases easily. So first, open your terminal and run the installation for the RevenueCat SDK. So unfortunately, I couldn't show you the step due to restrictions here in RevenueCat because it needs to be request from the RevenueCat. So it takes business days, like 2 to 3 business days, something like that, in order to have an access in here. So yeah, listen carefully as I explain each step. So if you're using an Expo, so run the installation by adding a Expo, then install then the React code or the bash code from your terminal. So after that, after the installation is complete, now import the purchase module into your app and then initialize RevenueCat inside your app's entry point like in app.js or use effect, then close and open parenthesis using your API key from the Revenue dashboard or RevenueCat dashboard. So if you're testing on Android, add your Google Play API key. For iOS, make sure everything is set up in App Store Connect. So now to get available products, so when the user taps your payroll or subscribe button, RevenueCat will automatically handle the receipt and subscription validation. So to check if a user has an active subscription, use that to unlock premium features. And that's how you use RevenueCat with React.js or React Native. So it's a smooth, simple, and takes care of all the heavy lifting in app purchases. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.